Good afternoon. My name is Lisa Geronimo's Ortega. I am 19 years old. I am from Solita, Caquetá. I live in the municipality of Escorillo, Caquetá. I live alone. I am very nice administrator. I am currently studying my profession psychology career at the National Open and Distant University UNAP. My favorite sport is football and favorite television program is the novel Nurse. In my house live 4 people. They are my family. My mother is Cristina Ortega. She is 42 years old. She did Hathaway. She is from Valparaiso. My mother is very nice. She is short. Her eyes are brown. And she had black hair. My father is Arcángel Muse. He is 41 years old. He is famous. He is from Valparaiso. He stood. His eyes are brown and is dark skin. My brother is Christian Muse. He is 17 years old. And Alexander Muse is 15 years old. And they live in the house with my father. Thank you, very good.